Hi you guys. Okay, so we're gonna be making a delicious immunity and energy boosting elderberry smoothie that is just packed full of such good ingredients but tastes delicious and helps boost your immune system and your energy all at the same time. So we're gonna go ahead and get started here. First, I'm gonna go over the ingredients. So you need about 1.5 cups of milk. You need about 2 dollops of Greek yogurt here. So you need 2 teaspoons of elderberry and like 1/2 cup of berries. I've already combined all of that together in here. So you can use like strawberries, blueberries, whatever you're really wanting to use and incorporate in this smoothie, you can do. Then you're gonna use a tablespoon of chia seeds and then like a handful of spinach. This is a spinach and romaine lettuce and all of that all mixed in together here. And just a really, really good packed full vitamins combo there. And then, so you can either use a banana, or I also instead sometimes incorporate an avocado instead of a banana, which makes it maybe not as sweet, but still gives that creamy flavor and texture to the smoothie. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. First, I add my 1.5 cups of milk in. So usually I like to add this on the bottom of the blender because then it helps to blend things a little bit easier. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our berries and elderberry syrup. So I already like measured everything out there. So then I'll go ahead and add all of the ingredients in here, the rest of them. So the spinach, we'll add the avocado, and then we'll add the Greek yogurt. Obviously you can substitute any of these things that are here for other options. Like say you are going dairy free, then you don't have to use Greek yogurt. You don't have to use regular milk. You can use your own substitute of that. You can really, that's the great thing about smoothies, is you can just kind of play and have fun with them. All right, so all of my ingredients are added. I'm gonna pop this top on here and start to blending.